In our last video, we have talked about include. So these are directives. We have talked about 4 directives: include, extend, section, yield. So we need include for sub views. Let's say here you can see I have main blade.php, right? So I have a header file and footer file. Both are separate, right? Header and footer. In main blade, I need, let's say, header. I don't need footer, so I can actually include the header only, right? And if I need footer, then I can actually include the footer. Let's say I have 20 different pages. Then what will happen? I have to include every single time the footer, header, and some other file. Let's say sidebar. Okay, let's say menu bar. So for this, we can actually use extends. It means we'll actually create a common design part. I mean a common design file where we have header, we have footer, we have, let's say, sidebar, we have navigation bar, everything. But we haven't actually content. Let's say this content. So it will be very good if we make a page where the page will be only for design and we can actually change the content only. For this, we will actually create a single page for the design and we will extend the page in every other pages. What can I do? I can actually create a file, and that is, let's say I want to name it as master. So I will say master.blade.php. Save it, and here I'm going to design everything. So I will say HTML, and in the body, let's say I want to create header. I need, let's say, I'm going to say here main, and then I need footer, let's say. Now I have the design in a same page, right? Header, footer, and main. So I can actually create here sub menu also. Okay. Now what will happen? I'm going to actually design it. Let's say I want to design this. So first of all, I will design header. I'll say padding, let's say 30 pixel, and I want to set background color, let's say light, any light color. So I'll say light cyan, let's say. And for the footer, I'm going to use the same color, but this one will be for footer. And here I want to use universal sign so that I can actually give here margin and padding 0 for the items. Okay, now let's say I want to access the page master, and here actually I want to say h1 that this is header, and here I want to say, and here I want to say h3, this is main body. All right, now I want to open this page, so I will create here. So this is the route, test it. So let's say I want to change your view, and that will be, let's say, master.blade.php. Now what I have to do, I need to start the server. So I have to write here php artisan serve, and make sure you have open Apache and MySQL server also. Now let's go to the browser, and here I will say localhost / test it. Here you can see this is the header, this is the footer, and this is the main body. Now let's say I want to show this header and footer in every single page, but I will just change only the main body topic. Okay, so I will not include every single page. Let's say I have 20 pages, so I will not include every single page, all the header and footers and everything. So what can I say? I will actually create a master page for the for all the design. Okay, master page, and for the main section I will actually change the content. Now I will go some other page, let's say main here. So here I want to say that, okay, I don't want to include it. I will do here one thing, and that is I'm going to extend the master template here. So I will say extend, and here I'm going to say master.blade.php. Now let's say I want to access the main, so I will say here, actually I want to copy it, paste it, and here I'm going to say main, let's say, and let's say I want to change the URL to master. Okay, so I'll go here the browser, and here I'm going to say master. So this is the master page, and I want to actually copy it and go to the next line, and here I want to say main, and here you can see I have extended everything, right? Now if I change something in master, I don't have to actually change it here. So I will go here. Now let's say I want to say that header text align would be center, and footer text align also would be center. Refresh. Here you can see if I refresh here, same. Now let's say I want to change the main body. Okay, so here we have another directives that is called section. So I have to say here section and then end section, and I have to give a section name. So the section will actually go to the main section here, right? Okay, now what I have to say, I have to say here at yield, and here if I give here any name, let's say I want to name it as content, so I have to mention the section as content here. Now if I write anything here, let's say anything, it will show in the master. Okay, so let's go and check, refresh. Here you can see in master file we have nothing, right? But if I go to the main, if I refresh, it should be there. Why? Okay, let's say I want to change something for main. Add padding of, let's say, 30 pixel, and margin, let's say 30 pixel. Refresh. All right. Refresh. All right. So this is the mistake, and I have to remove it. All right. So I will say here anything once again. If I refresh, here you can see anything. Sorry, here I got another problem, and here you can see I have mentioned master.blade.php, so you don't have to actually write the blade.php, right? We just have to mention the view name. Master.blade.php is the view name, but we will just only mention the first portion, that is master. So we have to remove this, right? And now it will work, I hope. So let's go and run it once again. Okay, so I got the problem. Here you can see if I go to the master, it will go to the master. If I go to the main, it will actually go to the same view. So I have to change here. Silly mistake. Okay, so here you can see this is the content. So we have yield it. Here you can see content. Now let's go and refresh. So this is the master. Now if I go to the main, and here you can see hello from main view. The design is same, but we have changed the content. All right. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching.